Hi agents, Missy Stagers, M. Stagers Realty Partners, bringing you some exciting news to get ready for next year. We have a business planning workshop October 17th here in our training room at 5711 Northwest Parkway, Suite 101 from 1 to 3. Now, why would you want to attend this? Because this is how you start next year outright. We'll talk about finishing this year off well, but planning for next year is essential to your business if you want to make some money. In our business planning workshop, we will go through and help you not just work on numbers, because remember I say numbers mean nothing if you don't have a plan on how to get to those numbers. So we're going to teach you and help you put together how you make those numbers work in your business plan. I highly encourage all of you to attend so that you can have your plan ready for 2017. And again, that's October 17th, 1 to 3 here at our training room. Sign up below.